sits up there on his leatherette. He looks through pictures of the ones that he hasn't had yet. When he thinks he wants a closer look, he gets out his little black telephone book. He's calling. He's calling. He's calling. He's calling. Come sit down here beside me, honey. Let's have a little heart to. Now look at me and tell me, darling, how badly do you want this part? Are you willing